Have you ever wondered what it's like to work behind the counter at a snack bar in the Netherlands? We've recently become obsessed with a TikTok account that posts POV videos from Schotel de Fijnproever, a snack bar in Etten-Leur. Their TikToks of taking orders and frying up the famous brown fruit of the Netherlands have amassed millions of views. So we thought we'd investigate this place for ourselves, especially since they have a gigantic menu and we'd get to try a bunch of snacks that we've never seen before.
Welcome to an episode of Driving with Buncharted.
Yay!
An unexpected episode because today we're going to be going to the snack bar that has become TikTok famous, / I guess YouTube famous, because that's where we actually found them.
It's
but
true.
then Michelle started watching their TikToks.
And I can't stop.
Not now, Siri!
No! It's an intro to a video, Siri!
So we actually have already been there. We just left. And we're in Etten-Leur, which is a place that we have never been before in the Netherlands.
Yep.
And we were supposed to film a different video today, but we got stuck in an hour and a half of traffic in Rotterdam. An hour and a half.
It was so much.
But that's totally okay because we got our snack bar fixed today, no matter what, because the cafeteria was in, well, I don't want to give it away. I don't want to give it away. But I will say that in addition, oh God.
This is so chaotic.
In addition to eating some amazing food, we also got to talk to the owner and it was a super chill and super fun time. So let's
Cut
back to that. Okay, so the really interesting thing about the menu here is that they've got everything.
All the snacks.
All the snacks. They've got Belgian snacks. They've got Belgian sauces. They've got Dutch snacks. They've got Dutch sauces. Literally any stuff I've never heard of
Yeah,
before.
sauces we've never heard of.
Like, we didn't get it, but like, what is a Vlampijp?
I know.
They got that. Actually, maybe that's an idea for a future video is like, we eat everything at Schotel de Fijnproever.
Yeah, we would have to be here all day though.
I'm okay with that. And I would have to eat nothing for like 3 days leading up to it.
Or just like celery, you know?
I like celery. So this is actually an interesting snack bar thing that we've seen a lot in the Netherlands. It's not really in Dordrecht, but it's like a place where you sit down
Yeah.
and you get silverware and you get a plate and it's like a whole thing.
But you can also just do the to-go thing too.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it has a huge seating area.
Yeah, it's just, it dresses it up, which makes me feel like I'm, you know, not about to eat a bunch of snacks.
But it comes with salad.
But it comes, well, we'll see what the salad is.
Oh,
but
yeah.
yes, it does on paper come with salad.
It's healthy.
Yeah, I'm really excited though. I'm really excited.
I've never been so ready to eat in my whole life. I think
In typical YouTube fashion, we should start with the least interesting thing and work our way up.
Okay.
Oh, actually, can I?
Yeah, go for it.
Yes, I have a suggestion.
Okay.
I would like to start with the Vlampijp.
That's a good choice.
This is something that I wanted to try for a very, very long time. It is not in focus. Apparently, it's like a croquette, but it's a flamicha.
It's like a big flamicha.
Yeah, but also a croquette.
Yeah, I didn't
it's
know-
way more breaded.
Yeah.
Why is this not? Is that in focus?
It's in focus now.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right,
now
well,
it is.
you think it's
Does
gonna be
it
good?
smell like a flamicha?
No.
Do you want a Lady and the Tramp it here in this restaurant?
It's probably gonna be really hot.
Oh,
I should
okay.
probably break it open and show everyone
Okay.
what the inside looks like.
Oh,
Oh, baby. Yep, it looks. Why is this not in focus?
there it is.
There we go. Yeah, it looks exactly like it's filled with flamicha filling.
Like a lot of
This is gonna be incredible. Probably it'd be even better if we had some mayo.
Oh, it smells like a flamicha too.
It does smell like a flamicha. Cheers.
Yay. Oh man,
It's better than a flamicha.
it is because of the ratio.
It's crispy like a flamicha, but it's also breaded.
But it's got,
so
yeah,
a
it's
little
got
extra.
a little extra going on. Oh, this is
Oh,
so
it's full of
good.
flamicha meat.
Can you buy these?
You can buy it, but I don't know where.
Are we rating things today? Because
Five
that's
stroop
5 stroke waffles.
There's an easy 5.
Yeah,
You want to do the XXL frikandel?
I think we should. Yeah.
It is the XXL Frikandel special. It is a frikandel with curry sauce, mayonnaise, and chopped onions, but it is
It is a big boy. And I see him make this on his TikToks, and it barely fits in their fryer. It is like, it just barely,
tight fit in the fryer.
it's a tight fit in the fryer.
Yeah, I got a big bite.
Yeah,
Cheers.
cheers.
It's girthy too.
I mean, it's the same delicious Frikandel Speciaal. It's just more of a good thing.
They put a lot of onions on it too, which I really appreciate. It's a big long thing.
This would fill you up.
It would fill you up. If you're looking to get filled up, look no further than
Than
the
the
XXL
XXL.
Frikandel special. Next, we've got the Loempia special. And this is a Loempia. See? It's got an egg, a fresh egg on top.
Yeah,
I was going to say
fried.
fried egg. I was going to say fresh cracked egg like it's
Sunny side
McDonald's,
up.
but that wouldn't even be correct. And then it's got some satay sauce on it.
And ham.
And ham. Yep, there's
Don't
ham on
forget
it.
the
too.
ham.
Sorry, I can't forget the ham. A bunch of our commenters actually recommended this to us a while ago, and we had it for the first time at Flavor Nature of all
Yeah,
places.
it was so good.
So good, but this lumpia looks way better.
Yeah, it does.
Perfect bite. I got a little bit of everything. It's a weird mix.
It is.
It's like, what if we put peanut butter, ham, egg, and a big lumpia together?
But it all works.
Well, I mean, we don't
mean-
know.
It usually works. Oh, that lumpia is good. Oh, I mean, there's pickles on it too. Look at
On
that.
it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. There's a
Oh,
huge
yeah.
piece of chicken in there. There's bean sprouts, mixed chopped vegetables.
Yeah, carrot.
That's a good lumpia.
Yeah, this is really good.
This is insane. What a strange thing to put satay sauce with, but I love it so much. 4.5 stroopwafels.
4.5 stroopwafels.
We forgot to rate the XXL frikandel.
I'm gonna give it 4 stroopwafels.
4 stroopwafels. It's just a big frikandel.
Yeah.
Okay, next, they make their own special sauce here.
He said it's mayo curry with some secret herbs and spices.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers. It's like an elevated yopi sauce.
4 stroopwafels.
4.5 stroopwafels for me.
okay.
I like it.
Now, they have Schotels. They have a bunch of different plates that you can get, which is like fries, some sort of a thing, and a side salad.
Yeah.
We got 2. Start with the Schotel de Fijnproever, which is their namesake, I suppose. Or mine has, in addition to the salad and the fries, a mix of, it's like a spicy sauce.
Yeah,
and then
spicy tomato sauce.
chopped chicken
Yeah.
pieces. So I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna get,
Lots of red pepper in there too.
oh, there is a lot of red pepper in here too. Look at this, cheers. It's a little sweet.
Yeah, a little sweet, really
Tomatoey?
strong red pepper flavor.
Oh, it is?
I get way more red pepper than I do tomato.
It's not spicy. There are chopped peppers in it though.
Yeah, but it's not spicy.
It tastes like some sort of like a chicken chili or something almost.
Yeah, it reminds me of like maybe like a chicken chili my mom used to make. Yeah, that might be it actually.
It's not very relatable.
No, it's not.
It tastes like the chicken chili that Michelle's mom used to make.
So if you ate chicken chili with my mom back in the 90s, you know exactly what we're talking about.
Like. Yeah, it's good. 4 stroopwafels.
I'm gonna give it 4.
Actually, hold on.
Does the salad satisfy you?
Oh, it's actually really good.
Oh, that's a good dressing
All
on
right,
it.
4.5 stroopwafels.
4.5 stroopwafels, baby.
And this is Luca. He's the person behind the camera at the snack bar. Hi, Luca. Hello. So what made you decide to start doing these videos on TikTok and YouTube?
It was a few years ago. My mother recommended me to make videos. So she just first began to start making videos, but it wasn't very professional. It was just her holding a phone and then filming some random things here. So a few years later, I began to think about it, and I went on YouTube and I was looking to see what other kind of restaurant outside the Netherlands were doing. So then I saw a lot of POVs from McDonald's to some food trucks in England. So that's the moment when I thought I can also do this in the cafeteria. So that's when the idea started.
What are your favorite things in the menu here? Because your menu is massive.
Yes, yeah, we got a lot of different snacks, but I think my favorite is the Cito stick, and I also love the Mexicano.
Oh yes, of course.
It's a little bit spicy, and
Yeah.
I love spicy food.
Here's the thing we're most excited about.
This is the thing that I've been dreaming about for a while now.
It's the Schotel. Oh, go ahead.
It's the Chinese stoofvlees or the chinees stoofvlees.
And it looks like it's stoofvlees with like mushrooms and peppers.
I'm very excited to taste this because
Yeah,
I
did you say it
read
has 5 spice?
that it has the Chinese 5-spice powder in it.
Where'd you read that?
I looked up a recipe on how to
The
make
gossip
it.
blogs? The
Yeah,
rags?
the rags, if you will.
Snack bar rags. I would love to read those.
Because I really wanted to try to make it. And yeah,
Cheers.
cheers. Yeah, this is actually a tiny bit spicy too.
What?
Just like a little bit. It's got a lot of mushrooms in it too, which is really good. The mushrooms go well with the rest of the like sort of earthy,
It is a little spicy.
aromatic flavor. Yeah, just a tiny bit.
It's not sweet.
No, it's not sweet at all.
It's very good. It's actually like, it tastes nothing like stoofvlees.
No, I love this.
Yeah, it's like a tender beef stew.
Yeah.
A little bit of, I guess, 5 spice.
Yeah.
And then a little bit of pepper and a little bit of spicy. It's very good.
Yeah, it's
wow.
super good.
With the salad, 5 stroopwafels. Let me just say it.
5 stroopwafels.
What a meal.
I know.
This is the first time anyone's ever ordered this assortment of things.
No. When I watch their TikToks, I'm just fascinated by the order combinations. And this does not seem like that strange of an order. People will order 2 Schotels and then kind of get their own like appetizer situation.
Oh,
yeah.
So we basically did the same thing.
Yeah.
We did what everyone else did.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
That was so much fun. They were so friendly.
They were very friendly. They were, I don't know. I encourage all of you to, if you want to go have a fun, good snack bar experience, and try a lot of Belgian snacks too.
Yeah.
And just some stuff that I've never seen on snack bar menus, period, before. You got to make sure you get a cafeteria de Fijnproever
Yep.
in Etten-Leur. They're super nice. They got a great menu. The food was great. I can't say enough nice things. And if you don't want to go, or you're really far away from it, that's okay too, because you can follow them on YouTube or TikTok. We'll put their links in the description.
It's great, relaxing content.
It's enough of us yapping. We're gonna drive. We're gonna take this rental car back and with our tail between our legs and hopefully try again
next week.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see y'all next week. I don't know what I was gonna do with my hands there.
Tot dan.
Cover the screen.
Tot dan.